Hello and welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode I'm visiting my brother-in-law's 1978 Prout Catamaran, which he bought some months ago, and he is completely ripping out and restoring from the keel upwards. So as we get onto the back here, I'll show you the most recent piece of work he's done, which is to have the engine bay flow coated, which gives it this nice grey smooth appearance, and he's also had a locker either side of the engine bay located as well. The canopy you can see here is completely brand new and specially fitted. It gives a lot more working space out the back here when you're actually controlling the boat in bad weather. It also keeps the sun off of you. But as we go inside, this was one large open space, and he's put in this new bulkhead, which is the green wall you can see ahead of you. But as you can see, he's ripped out the entire interior, has put in new windows, and going forward here, this is the master bedroom, which you will see again in a moment with the lights on, but he has done all the cabinetry work himself. As we move around to the port side, you can see some of the storage cupboards he's put in. But looking at the forward part here of the port beam, it's going to be the bathroom with all the usual amenities. And down at the stern, this is going to be a storage area. You see he's going to be relining all of the walls to make it more homely and to produce internal noise. Now that we've found where the light switch is, I'll just turn you around and take you back to the forward bathroom. The windows have all been put in new, they're still to be finished off though. But then going back to the master bedroom, all this cabinetry has been fitted by him, only dry fit this time, not properly secured, but all the cabinets will be fully lined. And there's a nice bit of storage in here as well, which will be under the mattress. Coming out onto the starboard beam, this is where the gallery will be, right here down these steps, and then forward will be another bedroom, and down the back I believe either another piece of storage or another small bedroom. As you can see, this new canopy does a really good job. It looks very smart, and just as I said before, gives a lot more area to work in and keeps the sun off you and the bad weather when you're out sailing. Looking back in where the propeller will come out from the engine, it's going to get a completely brand new engine, which has actually been delivered. It just has to be installed, which he is going to do. But again, looking down the side of the actual boat, you can see the size of it. It's going to be completely repainted for the anti-fouling, and the top part will be polished up, and if it's not coming out very well, it will be repainted. But my brother-in-law has given himself 6 months to restore this, and I've no doubt he'll achieve it. He's a very skilled carpenter, plumber and electrician, and with the skills he's got, there's absolutely no reason to suspect that he won't get this completed by late autumn. So he may miss this year's sailing season. It will absolutely be ready for next year. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.